Hey, it's Nat Green with Header and Banner Wizard, and in this video I want to show you how you can create some awesome graphics, whether it's headers for websites, banners for sidebar images, cover images for your social media profiles, or even Facebook newsfeed ads. You can do it all with Header and Banner Wizard. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So as you can see, we have our canvas area here that we're working with, and we've got the dimensions down below. Now what's really cool is you can resize this to whatever dimensions you need for the project that you're working on. So let's just say that we're working on something that's 800 by 250. We change our dimensions and hit the enter button, and our canvas automatically resizes. So super cool stuff there. Now let's say that we want to add some effects, and we've got pattern or light. Now I'm going to do pattern first, and we just scroll along the side here. You'll see a whole bunch of different patterns. Okay, let's try this one out just for fun here. And if I want to, I can just click on it, and you'll see that the color is highlighted. So now I'm going to actually change the color to a bit of a yellow color, and I can do so like that. If I don't like the yellow, I can make it, let's say, a bluish color. Okay. Now if I want to change the effect, I can do so. I can just scroll along, find a different one, and let's say that I want to go with that one. So you can pick whichever one you want and change the color from it. From there we can go to, actually let's go to light here first, and we have a few different light effects: smooth, sunlight, and bevel, and each one has a few different variations of it. So we can click on smooth, and you'll see underneath here it had a little bit of a light effect. I'll click on it again. It's a little brighter and a little brighter still. Or we can just select it and then undo it. You can do the same thing with sunlight. You get the idea. Or with the bevel effect. And we can always, of course, move these around however we want. And different effects that. So I'm just going to undo those. Okay, so let's go to graphics, and we've got a couple different frames and different icons and buttons and arrows, different patterns and all sorts of neat stuff. And there's tons and tons and tons and tons of these. So you could say, okay, let's make one with skiing graphics on it, and we can resize it. We can also tilt it. I can delete it. If I want to put a phone on there, I can do so like that. Make it small. Move it around, whatever I want to do. If I want to add a shape, I can put, let's put an arrow here. Just highlight it. Move it wherever I want. Make it bigger. Change the color if I want. I can stretch it out. Whatever I want to do, let's delete that one. And then if I want to upload an image, I can do that too. So I'll just upload the logo here, and same sort of thing, right? So the sky is really the limit here. If you need an image that isn't in our database already, of course you can find one online and just import it right in, super easy. Now if you want to add some text, of course just click on text, add a box, we can type in whatever, and we can resize it. We can just select the box and drag it like so. We can also angle it if we want, and of course we can change the color as well. So pretty flexible. You can pretty much do whatever you want to do. Now we've got a ton of templates for you to choose from. And if you select one, it'll basically undo anything you've already done and resize it accordingly. So same thing here, just select it, move things around, change it however we want, delete it, move the text around, move the button around. You name it. undo stuff, redo stuff. Let's go back to the templates here. I want to show you we've got tons and tons of templates. Now this is an instance you'll see here that the body of this character is actually hanging off. Now this is an instance where you'd want to use the preview to see how it really looks. So I'll click on preview up top here, and it actually removes everything outside of the canvas area. Now to get back to our working canvas, we just click on the X and it brings it back to our workstation. So back to templates here. I'm going to keep scrolling along here. We've got all sorts of different ones that you can work from and change it however you need to change it for your project. So I'm still scrolling around here, and you can see there are literally tons and tons of different templates that you can use to work off of. Now let's select this one here. Now I'm just going to change part of, just one word there. And so see here we've got a light effect and different layers, okay? So let's say that I want to select this coffee cup and send it back. I can do so. And I want to bring it forward, and there it is, okay? So you can see it's super easy to navigate around, make changes, and work off the different templates and create really whatever it is that you need to create. Now I'm going to go back to graphics here for a second, and I'm going to show you a bunch of other stuff that we've actually put in here for you. So you can see all sorts of different icons still, and I know that people really are making a lot of money with t-shirt ads and creating t-shirts on Facebook. So here's what we've done. We've actually put in a bunch of t-shirts and buttons and badges and price tags and some more backgrounds. So we've got a ton of different stuff here for you. We've got some buy now buttons, blank buttons. So we've made this really easy for you to make some awesome ads that you can use in Facebook newsfeed for your Teespring campaigns. So here's an example of an image I made for a Facebook newsfeed ad for a t-shirt campaign. Now all I did was uploaded a background, put on a price tag with some text on it, put a click to buy now button and a couple of badges, and then a t-shirt with a logo on it. And literally in about a minute and a half I put together an image that I can use for a Facebook newsfeed ad. So now you can see just how quickly and easily you can create awesome images for any of your websites, your social media profiles, or Facebook newsfeed ads, all with the power of Header and Banner Wizard. So go ahead and pick up Header and Banner Wizard right now, click on the button below, and we'll see you inside the members area.